Peace and blessings, everybody. How y'all doing today? Happy Saturday, happy Sabbath, happy weekend. Now, I got something to share with y'all because I'm getting sick of this bullshit. All right? With the whole fucking crusades in the hip hop community. It's okay. God already spun the block. God already spun the block on all sides of the street. Okay? And I ain't gonna hold you. I'm always the last one to reinforce prayers. Yeah, nigga. Hermione Granger is real. Her name is Michael Cantress. Now, I know this is gonna hurt some feelings, but I don't care. And if it apply, let them hands fly. A 5%er is a fake Muslim that's on the DL. Okay? And to the queens and to the LGBT members, never run behind a 5%er. Let the 5%er run behind you. A 5%er is fake Muslims, meaning niggas that found Islam in prison and making up some cock and bull story that literally usurps the Quran, that's on the DL as they indoctrinate kids and especially boys and they just indoctrinate their whole community. They are just as bad as the Catholic Christian congregation indoctrinating boys and children and their community. None worse or better or less. They are equally as bad. Okay? We know about the Christian upset and the uproar when they was exposed. But guess what? I'm exposing the 5%er secrets as well. Okay? Y'all be indoctrinating your community, especially with young boys. Okay? A 5%er is nothing but fake ass Muslims on the DL that will indoctrinate their whole community right up to little boys. Thank you.